Are you thinking about retiring this year? Let's talk about how downsizing could help you live the dream. Welcome to Florida Suncoast Living, our little real estate channel here on YouTube. My name is Keith Connors. Thank you a bunch for checking out the channel. I appreciate you checking out this video too. Imagine this. Every day is Saturday. No alarms, no more commutes, just the sunshine and relaxation, and the freedom to do what you love when you want to. But what if your house is holding you back? Well, thanks to home price appreciation, skyrocketing by 57% over the past 5 years, boomer wealth has jumped by $486,000 per household, and half of that comes from your home's rising value. So what if downsizing or moving to a more affordable area could free up hundreds of thousands of dollars and make your retirement not just possible, but better than you imagined? In just a few minutes, I'm going to show you how to crunch those numbers right after our pitiful property punchline joke of the day. Oh, first, check the links below and check out your free property valuation tools. There's 5 of them there, and they're very cool. They'll help you get the very best price on any property, whether you're buying or selling. They really work. Here's our property punchline, our joke of the day. What did one wall say to the other wall? Of course, it's easy. I'll meet you in the corner. Now today's topic, and I know what you're thinking, but Keith, how do I move when rates and prices are so high? I hear you. But here's the thing. Your home's equity could offset a lot of those costs. By downsizing, you could cash in on your home's appreciation today, lower your expenses, and start living life on your terms. Let's run the numbers together. I can show you with real numbers what your house is worth today and give you a professional equity assessment. That'll help so you can see exactly what you're working with. Now, this could change your life. So if you want to finally make every day a Saturday, let's chat. Thanks again for checking out the channel. I hope you'll share this video with someone you love or someone you like even just a little bit. I appreciate you sharing and liking the channel. I really do. Please subscribe. It'll help me keep the jokes and the real estate info coming too. See you next time on the beach or in the next video. Peace.